You are not separate from the universe. You are part of its mind. But most people live disconnected and wonder why they feel powerless. In this lesson, you'll learn how to connect consciously with the universal mind, the source of all creation. These teachings come from the Master Key System, a timeless blueprint for mental and spiritual mastery. There is only one universal mind, infinite, intelligent, ever-present. And every individual mind is a channel through which that greater mind expresses itself. You are not a separate being trying to connect to the universe. You are a living extension of it, always connected, always part of the whole. This is the greatest truth in all mental science. There is no disconnection, only the illusion of it. When you feel fear, lack, confusion, you are not broken. You've simply forgotten your connection to the source. The universal mind is the source of all ideas, all power, all wisdom, all solutions. And it is never far from you, because it is you, at your deepest level. When your conscious mind becomes quiet, and your thoughts align with spiritual truth, you begin to receive, not just create. You no longer have to figure everything out alone. You become guided, inspired, supported. This connection is not about religion or dogma. It's about stillness, receptivity, alignment. The more you remember this unity, the more life begins to flow. Decisions become easier, synchronicities increase, and peace replaces pressure. You are no longer just a creator. You are a co-creator with the infinite. The universal mind responds to calm, clarity, trust, stillness, purpose. When your personal thoughts align with that energy, you move and flow with creation itself. This is where genius, intuition, and miracles come from. You don't have to force life. You only need to open the channel. This lesson's practice is about activating unity. Set aside 5 minutes for silence each day. Sit calmly. Breathe slowly. Let your surface thoughts dissolve. In that stillness, affirm this truth. I am one with universal mind. I listen. I receive. Ask a question, then release it. Don't chase the answer. Let it arise naturally, now or later. Throughout the day, walk in that awareness. The mind of the universe is flowing through you, always. You are not here to struggle in separation. You are here to create in unity with infinite intelligence. In the next lesson, we'll explore how this unity gives you creative dominion and unlocks your ability to direct power through faith and vision.